So welcome in this video. So in this video you will see about MSN airdrop for Kaga miners. Okay, so the interesting thing that you need to just do simple task like follow Twitter and join Telegram and submit your MetaMask wallet. Pretty much easy. So how do you get this link? You can get this link the comment box. Come into my Telegram, and here you can notice my Telegram channel, and here I posted this link. Okay, so here you are seeing these post here. I write here, so just click on that link for join and complete task, submit Kaga connected wallet. Kaga, what does that mean here? Kaga mean MetaMask wallet, EVM, Trust wallet, the EVM wallet. Okay, that's it. And claim reward done. Okay, how do you do? I'm showing you. So first thing first, connect your wallet here. And while you first come into this website, at that time here I'm showing you here, written by connect. Okay, maybe you have related with that. Okay, connect your wallet with MetaMask or token pocket, whatever you have, whatever they going through you, so it doesn't matter here. And click on this Twitter follow button, or I would suggest you follow them to click on follow this button, and after that click on verify, and that would be better. Okay, click on that my verify button, connect Twitter that I'm using now. I've already followed them. Now I'm just connecting my my Twitter. Okay, that is will be authorized now, and it will take some time. Doesn't matter. I'm just waiting for that. Click on authorize app with Quest and bot. Okay, straightforward, nothing complicated. Okay, so I'm gonna do in my channel, live session for talking with you, so that is very soon would become, because my channel got eligibility in the advanced feature. I got that. So however, we are already binding our Twitter here, so this is already get notified for being confirmed that you are only one of your role. So here is put your password if needed. If it is not need, you don't do that, but whatever they want, anything, do them. Okay, I put them, feel free way, it will be better, I would say. So maybe that can be problem sometimes, because like a lot of people doing that, and like you can see some bug issue fix, but don't be exhausted. Like now I already lost the page. Okay, so how do I get, I'm showing you, come into, so here we go, we already get. So now your page, your quiz task onboarding page is pop up. So now click on here and click on verify and connect Twitter again. It is doing problem slightly, sorry for that. And to do the same, if you failed, okay, to doing, and ultimately it will be done. So as much fast as you can, because my Mrs. browser is doing problem slightly, and I'm hoping this time it would be uh, there is slightly doing problem with me, and doesn't matter, I will completely will be done. Okay, so loading, binding the account is connecting, please wait a moment. Okay, we are waiting, the account is connecting, please wait a moment. Okay, oops, the account has been connected to Twitter. Okay, thanks. If I click on, I will definitely suggest you go to profile and connect your social, Twitter, Discord, Telegram, whatsoever. Okay, so it would be better maybe. Okay, like already connected, already connected. Okay, we already connected. Another profile here, right here I'm seeing, that is pretty much okay, So let's say back button. So we are already connected our Twitter as well as Telegram. So click on here, doing follow them. Okay, so here is you are seeing follow. If you don't do them follow, do that, and after that click on verify button. It will be done immediately. Okay, that is loading. Verify. Okay, verifying. If I zoom in, you that is it is verifying you. However, loading. Click on here. Click on verify. You don't yet join here, so join immediately. So I'm joining on Telegram. So the same thing you need to do here, and my Telegram is opening. My network is sucks, okay, because I'm if you notice that I'm using, so connecting, click on follow button, and bam, come back inside of the browser where you are doing this task. Okay, click on verify. Here it is loading your. Okay, so I'm doing this thing again. Follow. My message browser has connected on Twitter, the Twitter that I connected with Quisten. Do the same. If you feel like any exhausting, don't do that, control that. Okay, because and this is all of games is about website. Okay, new website, and do follow Twitter, like all sort of thing. Just take a back button, click on after doing that. Okay, that's gonna be listed on Bitget OKX. Okay, back button, click on, and after that is bring into you back then website where you're doing quist. Okay, so it's loading demands, it's a wasted sometimes loading type of thing. Okay, we are done Telegram task, but Twitter is doing fucking very like problem. It doesn't make sense to me. Okay, Twitter done. Submit your EVM here, your EVM address. Okay, click on verify. Okay, done. Now here is you done everything. 1, 2, and 3. Now slightly scroll down, and the left beneath under option climb reward. Here you are seeing something, climb reward. Click on here and switch network into Polygon. Okay, and whatever network you had before, that will be changed into Polygon. Okay, switch and app quiz again, and logged in again, opening. Wait a few minutes. Okay, like nothing complicated, easy to do, straightforward. Everybody can do that, just those have some patience. Okay, straightforward, nothing complicated. Okay, it's doing problem, no problem, there is nothing to problem here. Press here again, this thing, and come into the okay, I'm just trying to accomplish this task. Okay, so here we go. The task already done. Now here is climb reward. Click on here. Okay, climb reward. loading. Your wallet would be notified by click on claim reward. And here is maybe you need to just confirm your transaction, and here you will notice, and okay, claim is already like pending. Here is loading, you are seeing. So wait until that has been done. Okay, congratulations on MSN token you get. Okay, you can do this multi. Okay. So do that. If you feel any exhausting or any procrastination, come into my Telegram. You will get this link in the comment box. Check out comment box or video description box, or this channel description box. Okay, feel free to get that. Okay, see you later in the next time. Until that, happy hunting, congratulations.